Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the payment revision needed message on Amazon. First, open Amazon and sign in to your account. Go to your orders and find the order with the payment revision needed message. Click on Revise Payment Method. Here you can update your payment. You can choose a different card, update the expiration date, or re-enter the security code. Make sure all information is correct before saving. Next, check your account details. Make sure your billing address and the name on your Amazon account match what your bank has on file. If these do not match, the payment may be declined. Update any incorrect information and save it. If the payment still does not work, try using a different card. You can add a new debit or credit card in your payment methods. Pick the new card for the affected order and make sure the details are entered correctly. Sometimes, the issue may be with your bank. If the payment is still declined, call your bank to check if they block the charge or if they need verification. After the bank confirms it is okay, return to Amazon and retry the payment. Thanks for watching.